In this video, I'm going to show you how to remote play on Steam. So first, open Steam, and then over here, click on Steam at the top left, Settings, scroll down here, and then click on Remote Play. And then over here, make sure Enable Remote Play is enabled. Enable in the Advanced Host options as well. This will improve performance streaming. And now, it will show you any devices that are using the same Steam account over here with their device name. So I'm going to skip, and I'm going to set up another device with the same Steam account to show you an example of how this will work. So as you can see, I set up my other device and it's connected to, or it's logged into the same account that I have right here. So that's a must. It has to be the same account, and it will show right here, as you can see. So I can click connect from here, and now the other device will is going to be able to control my mouse or my screen, or see my screen from their view, and it will be able to stream games from there. So yeah, so as you can see, I'm actually controlling the other device's screen right now. So this is what they were seeing, as you can see. But that's about it for this video. That's how you can remote play and stream. You can now go to library, for example, Brawlhalla. I can now click on this arrow next to the install button and then click stream from, and now you can click on stream to start streaming from that device. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.